free be fie papa we bia. Me sure say industry ni be problem da. This is a message I have sent to this boy, but me Chinese canon me the ba social media.
Ebusia sisi ade eye Tracy Boakye ana wodi esu ene ohu se maami asema hye ne so yie ne nyina agina se wo se wo ye papa na wagi receipt emre bi obeye Kyekyeku papa ankosi hye
kan esa date na me de hye ena ye koye adwuma no ebusia fo mu nyina mo ya we say amanfo any J stubborn ghost eho ena me movie adwuma no you can testify to it say sebe to keep my channel busy keke I do other things. Ena sika me di twa adwuma no. Se me ka se sika na me nya di twa fofora, it's a lie. I just feel like doing it. Fast forward. Stubborn goes omushe. Ena me friend Director Jackson said, "Director, the way you share no, I didn't know me in second part. No say okay, yeah, mate. Me your story no. If only ubenya cast na ba dey na say Kyekyeku dey because Kyekyeku dey obi nim say me Tracy Boakye. I'm the last person. I am the last person."
Aha, let's talk GH rumors and any first time I put into my video, make sure say over subscribe ama me no click e notification bell no say there any upload be no sabi timi aka no share ma for frab share you Facebook at Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure say obe follow these pages ama me. Any comment be a one obetimi eja e comment section ho eda ma me. Now in the year 2021 ye nyina na ye wo Ghana na hu se bibi trend wo media ne so ye kohwe na ye sister Tracy Boakye ana ene wo di $2,000 ema eye Kyekyeku asisi a o reni ewo eye kuma wood ni ma enya sem ketwa na ebia na we fi ho kakra sa papa ye na Tracy eye ma Kyekyeku ne yenka ye ho kakra.
Okay, then me kuna ba be sorry ofi na oyo shop you so be premise can be just can also the bebre no we musical
o se sikani de wa hanani ye na ya se
anyway I just called you home okay to surprise you with this okay anything no me ma. Okay, this is $2,000. $2,000 is like, I think 120, but baby, sir, take it.
100 means
100 million.
Hey!
Eighteen pacho, our real say me mom na me kwa wari o. Ono na enya am.
E ma to je.
Fine.
Hey! Yeah, Africa Ghana. Yeah!
Ebusia papa no eno no $2,000 o kan no we ana o de share eye Kyekyeku ensem na ene de eda sorry ya ye sister Tracy aba ne nsem a wo kan nyina ne say wo ye papa ye bi wo access nche dan ni mfaso na oni Kyekyeku after papa ye na o ye ni ye hu se wo ni movies 1 or 2 mu na latest ones bi o mu twae eye Stubborn Go season 1 enti no wa try senk obenya obe get in touch with Kyekyeku na nko matwa so but wa try bra ashone na chese oyema afoforo na chese papa ya wode ayama no wanyi na ye
kitwe bi na ye bedi enkomo kitwe bi na ye ba bedi and as you all know no for some years now I don't talk men kasabiem and ama me ho atobe pa masuma adwome just focusing on my marriage and my kids me dream me ho you all can testify to it say me dream me ho efia I've been well I'm fine yes and bibi ha me kakra I know my husband will not be happy with this, but I feel like yes, it's not an attack or anything, but I feel like I should spell it out. Yeah, at the economy, social media. Into my dream, say if it's not going well, social media, nana. It was a medeba. Oh, why you saying, mommy, we beg, please? And you be bonny. No, as I said, and you be bonny. na eyade me pese ye nyina ye de to ye hofo on say ye celebrities no say ye donation na ye bibi na ye video ba ya na ebi mo say oh you could have done it without a camera ya na ebi mo say ye hwehwe ni mu. I've been seeing those comments. Ya na ebi mo na you could have done it without a camera and you could have done it without a camera. But me betcha mo one reason why ntia ye bibi a ye de camera to so ye menyame ye free akomam ye menyame ye free akomam asem we aha me pam the type asem ha me a me worry na masesa asem ha me a me come ani free me mu na I'm okay. But then my husband will be like yeah twaso then I just make us you could see in me say asem no ye me if I don't control myself go be I mean to me nkenwi. But my gada me hona me kasa 2021 me hona me penny be sending me video. I even posted it on Instagram. Penny mo pan or sending me video and say Tracy, look for this guy. Some mo be sha nti me post here and me caption say me hwehwe no. Yes, mo be sha me caption video we say I'm looking for send me say yeah boano and I me post here. Most of papa my man for it's not even on my page. Me delete it, but I don't know why this particular video mean deleting free me page. Now fast forward. Thank you. I'm a grateful. Thank you. Fast forward. As I said, say asama ha me check, but then I feel yemfen to ye hofo because be brain na antini me bia se die ntia ye papa ye twa yemfen to ye hofo. Me knew Kyekyeku wo baby o, but then me whole video where I just called him home and me ye ni papa because as at that time we all know say nipa bia here nipa to support. So I did whatever I did for this guy from my heart. Yes, okay, fast forward. And a video no mo be fie no eso enye. I haven't deleted it. Okay. Enti obe fie. Obe fie enye. As you can see, me channel $2,000. Me nye papa ma obi enka. I'm not that type, but the same way I am ya. Me so I will me like I am ya. Any. I am not that type. I me papa mo bi ameka. Ana say me di epanipa no enum. But ye nyina yemfa di we enye efutusem. As you can see from my voice, me so kwa me so. Because I am ya. Mo fanche if I tear small mo fanche. Fast forward. Man control me want me to me but I'll control myself. Ever since that time, mo follow me channel. How many times am who's a boy or try me movie? Mo follow Tracy Boakye TV no. How many times and am who say Kyekyeku try me movie? Because me movie, me try I use everybody. Me you see obia. I don't focus on nipa bako. Me you see obia nti e wo hwa na masesem me you see akra for kakra e wo hwa na masesem na me you see kumase for kakra na when na some time ago I called Kyekyeku me friend no na me say oh Cheche medjuma and I say mommy mate so that time no na wa disappoint me be 3 times and me say tell me no so yeah e bia wa busy yen fa nkofofofo na me say mate ntimbo ha ebedi. People have started WhatsApping me. Me bufu ye. I am just saying something. I hear me ya. I hear me ya. Me Kyekyeku asem pao. But asem no hear me ya. Now, se obia the artist eba. Ye nyina ye de eba. So obia the artist eba. Na obia free be fie ye papa we bia. Me nyesho senka industry ni ebenya problem da. This is a message I have sent to this boy, but me Chinese cano me the bar social media. And you know, I want to bring it here because obitin chenya on tiase. Obitin chenya on ti bibiase. Minim je media boy. Or disappointed in say stubborn ghost movie no. Na me no my giant ho kasa for like 1 year. Me be babroche and I say oh me channel no better ho kwade. Me please nobody should call me. Me boom fuye. I am only saying something about boy nyina. I'm not angry. Me boom fu just say eye me ya. Answer I say maybe start make I say eye me ya e bia man control me ho kra me ntimi nye. But ye nyina ye mfa ntu ye ho fo. So who say celebrity bi anya ne ho. Obo obi etimodin on cheska because mo tan kasa asem na so mesini say chedin. Me kra me cheska amanfo say me on great me yenhwehwe animu. Ena yenhwehwe animu ena ho kwa na wo ska. Eno anantina pese ye nyina ye mfa de we entu ye ho fo. I am only here to explain certain things. Me bon fui. No. Me any emfa date say. Date Kyekyeku kan yes date na me de share. Ena yekoye adwuma no. Abusuafo mu nyina mo ya aware say. Amanfo any J stubborn ghost ho. Ena me movie adwuma no you can testify to it say sebe to keep my channel busy keke. I do other things. Ena sika me di twa adwuma no. Se me kasa say sika na me nya di twa fofora it's a lie. I just feel like doing it. Fast forward. Stubborn goes almost share. And my friend Director Jackson said, Director, the real machine, I didn't know me in yet second part. No, say, okay, yeah, Mate. May your story no. If only Ubenya cast na but the no so. Kyekyeku de because Kyekyeku de obi him said, me Tracy Boakye. I'm the last person. I am the last person. It's me and I'm so Director Kyekyeku de. Fast forward. A drew say was ye coach channel. Me de menine church o sisi a obesu. My friend no. To the extent say Nancy anko fompo adwuma okoye ya omo ekotwa second part ni nyina wakotwa. Onfi me. Na am say oh. Ade my yo boni ana because me de mani hu ni say impo. I think say bro 2 years impo. Me ha no obi anko beka say me chair na de no medwuma bia na o meye mame and apart from that go be medwuma bia I make sure I give him something. Say any normal child impa give him me penny pie sisi no. Me that type ah. Me penny pie sisi no. Enti no say me ka say ma Kyekyeku $2,000 emre bi nti no Kyekyeku be adwuma me maniska. God forbid. Enya sada. I'm not that type. But all I didn't tell mama about life you say me who say washeda ena oye me de oye me no. But abusuyen, let's learn something from this. Me bon fu you. But mummy nsua bibi say hwe. Se obi ya o papa ohun. Yemfo boni ntuaneka. Se obi eye o papa. I have people in the industry for years. I know me me now for business. Asare they were my friends. Min kuku $1,000 mponche business dawo. Director Jackson came to me by min kuku $500 mpomani dawo. But Kyekyeku de no ekama kuma that let me help this boy. I didn't know your mommy or try short skates be no bo me din keke. Onye papa bia mommy. But I felt akola me mwano and I make us a penny pan this video ne send me. Say oh yeah help this boy. And nunti me friend ni befi eye de me ye no. Now, and you say me Chinese can me the camera to so a. Coming back life. No. And coming back. But you na yemfa and you may be into your home. That if you see celebrity be any near bia, don't judge them. Because obi wo hono ma eniema nipa dia ye no a e hyeni mu no. Okasa oka mo be ba menum. Eniema nipa dia ye nipa e hye ne ho no. Okasa oka mo be ba menum. Eche na akoye siri, eche na akoye se omo a me chain sika na omo ya no omo siri me. Because ebi mu ye me crew no. Eche no omo siri me ene e kan ene akotam sika ma Kyekyeku ene na oh gosh. Yo papa. Eche oma Kyekyeku omo ye no Kyekyeku no. Omo frɛ na dwuma na okɔ. But mummy nyina yemfantu ye hofo. Mama ye nyina yemfantu. Entu de busa ho se. Senka menya dwuma bia. Ena movie nko na metwa. Ena makotwa movie and I share and I make part 2. And I'm like, me patch out, mommy, a day or 2. Me, I don't do this. Me try me movie worker. I don't call him. But me too quite and I'm so me keeping my channel no busy. Busa who say me nye dwuma bia and I'm moving kwa na me twa. And no nebe ma me nye ska to aduane adia. Enka de checheku dia ye me. Me nye dwuma bia o. Movie enkwa na adwuma me ye. Na checheku eba ba be ye adwuma na me se de be ya mensa ebe koma no a enka de boy ne dia ye me. I haven't done anything to him. I don't even see him. Menene ye nkasampo. But watch me wickedness. I do odi I mean to me fan you be ada. Watch me it's musum nitimo den. I won't lie to you. But mummy nyina ye mfa ntu ye hofo. Let's all use this na ye mfa into ye hofo. I know people that don't understand me will come and talk. As I said, I am not for trend. I am not for anything. I didn't even want to do it, but me chani sikano was social media. But for nipa to know, say nipa binom no adwe omodi na wi ase no. Unya osika nka wonko edi. Senka unya osika enka wonko a enka di. Obviously take your money back me the I don't hate him. I don't need my money. My no papa say me de ni betwa movie. Me ye checheku papa say me de ni betwa movie a enka me set bia enka me frɛ no. Onu abedi adanse I don't call him. I hardly call him. Yenye mu bi ye ka ho bi ena ni ba boy ne ho. And you all can attest to that. Because boy no fra mu nyina sa normal. But ye nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so, and I can say it with my full chest. Nyankopon enam yenye mu bi so. Ene yi boy no epie ye. Enye me na me de ne ba ye. Dr. Likey emo na de ne ba ye. But nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so. Ene yi boy no out from the brainim. I am the last person who saw this idea me. Na me nim no. Me obi na me kan me Chinese kewie no. I could have called him on me set bia. But me say me kai the last time I made many ho no. Me kai the last time me ne kasaye. But this is about the 3rd or 4th time a boy na bomb timodin. But I see him say time na sebe all struggle no. Omo mfi no. I just want friend ejwa. Time boy no obia apart from Dr. Likey name not all struggle no bien fi no. And next sankofo no say just one man free checheku. Checheku be dimirika be kwa akoye omedwuma. Meni so na nsenya me meni so. Me twa stubborn goes we ansa na 3940 e kwa akotwa na edwuma na ewo YouTube no. 39 e kotwa second one no. Na ma free checheku dada. Say o ma me ye medwuma mame. Do you understand? 3940 me cheche who's come and cheni bi. Boy ni free abroche be di akra 4 days on my set. 4 days on my set. And so boy no me nya ne papa da. Cheche 39 mo e kotwa second one no. And so me hu yan se cheche who was set and so na am say wow. So I even called my friend now the number to me. So I sent an audio to him say hey cheche who sana what's here. Sana wotie enti fa na say movie adwuma nko na me ye ene na wo so krampo ne nka medidi a is this how to pay me back
tibi a wo no betimi eja e wo comment section wo e de ama me ye sister Tracy Boakye ne otimu se nisuo kura tata na je asem a wo ka ne e ne ye yie je se na opa che se enye se bia ma ye ne papa ntime obeye madwuma ma me na mintua ne ka de sese of fata no na me de ma no na nso me papa ye na se odi edi ago se sister Tracy ha ne yie ye hwe se ye bra chichiku e di response bi beba na se obeba beka bibi afa ho a me di mani edi asem nechi any update bi aba me di bebre mo na me kam say o Facebook as Let's Talk GH Moments make sure so be follow ama me no follow e TikTok page as Let's Talk GH me ding edina na ekwa santoa makram.